Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Canva Uncharted. This isn't a secret button, but a mindset for exploring Canva's deeper capabilities. We'll dive into methods that elevate your designs, moving beyond the usual templates. Think of it as unlocking a new level of creativity, allowing you to craft truly unique visuals. Get ready to transform your design process and discover what's truly possible. Embracing Canva Uncharted means gaining significant advantages. You'll access advanced editing tools and effects, allowing for more sophisticated visual adjustments. This approach helps you customize templates with greater precision, making them truly your own. Ultimately, you'll develop a unique design style that consistently stands out, attracting more attention to your projects. It's about mastering the platform. To begin your Uncharted journey, start by thoroughly exploring Canva's extensive element library, looking beyond the obvious. Next, experiment with layering, transparency, and blending modes to create depth and unique visual effects. Don't forget to utilize keyboard shortcuts. They significantly speed up your workflow and make complex tasks easier. These steps will guide you toward more advanced design. For advanced tips, join Canva communities online. They offer endless inspiration and new ideas from fellow designers. Remember to practice daily to refine your design skills and increase your speed. Consistency is key to mastering any tool. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Keep creating amazing designs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.